We want to look at 5 shapes your arrow can take when working in Excel. Number 1 is the thick white cross. This is used for making selections along a range. What you do is you click and you drag and you release the mouse button and your selection is made depending on the number of cells you desire. Number 2 is the 4-headed arrow. Now this is found when you put your arrow or cursor at the edge of a selected cell, right, and you click and drag. This enables you to move the contents of the cell to another location. A variant of this is by clicking and holding the Control key on your keyboard. You see a cross, alright, just by the side of your arrow, and when you click and drag, this enables you to make a copy rather than just to move. The other option makes you move, but using the Control, press and hold the Control, it enables you to copy the contents to another location. The third one is by when you double click a cell, your arrow changes to what's called an I-beam, and you see the insertion point there, and if you were to come down to your status bar, you are presently in edit mode with the blinking line underneath. You can use your arrow keys to move in between the text and you can make your editing, and when you are through you can click on a blank cell or press the escape key to go back into the ready mode. The next one is when you see a 2-headed arrow, like if you place your arrow between the column headings. Alright, a 2-headed arrow can be either horizontal or vertical depending on whether you want to increase the width of a column or increase the height of a row. You click and drag to make a selection to change the width or height of those columns or row. The other option comes when you also have a selected cell and you move to the bottom right, which is the autofill handle. It changes to a thin black cross. By clicking and dragging, it enables you to copy down the contents of that cell. So these are the various shapes your arrow can take when working in Excel.